In this video, Ethereum has played our technical analysis exactly as predicted, and on top of that, we are also going to dive in within the Bitcoin bull market support band and understand what is next for the whole crypto market following this technical indicator. We'll stay tuned to know more. And hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out our daily technical videos like this. So yeah, for today's video, we're going to dive into three things for today. Number one is the Ethereum price action. Number two is the Bitcoin bull market support band. And number three is your short-term Bitcoin price action. So with that being said, let's now dive into our video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So let's start first with the Ethereum price action kasi diba ka Ethereum, ang minamonitor natin was this bullish breakout dito sa ating Ethereum price action. And diba, sa ating previous video, ang sinasabi natin is if nagkaroon tayo ng breakout dito with buy volume, then that is what we're going to do. We're going to open a long position dito kasi if may buy volume with candle close, kasi we are going to target this height, and then that height is actually received from by getting this if you're going to get the height of this as rising wedge, since it's a bullish breakout, yun yung magiging target natin around that area. And take a look at that, guys. That has played out exactly as predicted, and we have made profits from that movement. So right now, we did a successful trade dito. And if you have traded this with BYBIT, of course, mas mura yun yung Bitcoin trading fees. But of course, as you can see, if you're going to look at this, we have played that technical analysis exactly right on what's next for Ethereum. So if you're going to look at the indicators, let's try to look at the indicators. For now, you can see na we just closed this position right now, pero you can actually still keep it open up until the 21 point, or actually $2,150 kasi that is our technical target. So you can continue that trade up until that area. But right now, looking at this, wala tayong any signs of a bearish trend reversal. So yeah, so for now, hindi tayo mag-open ng short position kasi wala namang indicator na nagsasabi na it's time for a bearish trend reversal. So yeah, for now, we are going to wait out for the next indicator dito kay Ethereum kasi we just recently played out this latest move, and then right now, wala pang next opportunity na go form for Ethereum. So that is what you are currently seeing kay Ethereum. Now, diving in dito kay Bitcoin for the Bitcoin bull market support band. So para sa mga hindi nakaalam, the Bitcoin bull market support band is a very good indicator in determining yung ating bull market support. So as you can see sa ating historical Bitcoin price action, this green line, this 20-week EMA or 20-week MA is actually a good indicator in telling us where is the lowest point of our bull market. So as you can see, during this bull market times, we are seeing a lot of bounces dito sa ating bull market support band. And we have seen that countless times na throughout history wherein we have been getting a lot of bounces dito sa ating bull market support band. And if you're going to look at the current Bitcoin price action, we are currently still above the Bitcoin bull market support band, but as you can see, we are very far now from that area. So at some point in time, we are going to see a dip, and that dip will actually give us, or it will actually bring us back to this 21 MA. So in this case, if let's say baguhan ka sa crypto market tapos gusto mo humabol at gusto mo mag-enter, the best thing for you to do is to wait for a big dip wherein yung Bitcoin bumagsak siya after a very long bull run tapos bumalik siya sa green line. If bumalik siya sa green line, then that would be one of the best time to enter or to re-enter dito sa Bitcoin bull market. So ayun nga. So para sa mga bagong traders natin or bagong viewers, if you want to buy into Bitcoin or buy into any crypto, make sure na you wait for this next dip and make sure na you wait for the Bitcoin price to go back to the Bitcoin bull market support band. So that's what you can do. So if let's say kating-kati ka na talaga bumili, what you can actually do is if let's say meron kang $1,000, you can actually divide that money, let's say $300, bibili mo na ngayon, tapos yung remaining pera na hindi mo pinambili, abangan mo siya bumagsak sa ating bull market support band, at pag bumagsak siya doon ka ulit bumili ng Bitcoin. So yeah, as much as possible, the best place to enter is whenever na we are touching that green line. Kasi if we are within that green line, then that's a very good opportunity for us to re-enter. Kasi based on historical data, doon tayo nakakita ng bounces para makita tayo ng movement to the upside. And yeah, right now, that is what you have to wait out for if you want to re-enter dito sa ating mga next Bitcoin trades for the long term. Now, if you're going to look at this, dito kay Bitcoin, meron din tayo nakikitang resistance kay Bitcoin, and that is this red area na yan. And that red area is playing within the 28,500 up until the $32,000 kasi historically, if you're going to continue this area na yan, that has been a very strong support area previously kay Bitcoin. So as you can see, previously, we have been seeing bounces dyan sa area na yan. But right now, we are actually seeing resistance dito kay Bitcoin. So right now, this area na yan is actually acting to be a very strong resistance area for the Bitcoin price action. So moving forward, if we want to see Bitcoin to continue up until the 60K area, what must happen right now is Bitcoin must break this 32,000 US dollar area with buy volume in the weekly time frame. So remember, in order for us to continue to the upside, ang kailangan natin is green candle close sa weekly time frame. And then at the same time, meron din tayong buy volume upon that green candle close. So if you want to wait out for that next move, kailangan natin abangan siya within next Monday para makita natin yung kanyang bullish breakout. Pero for now na wala pa tayong nakikitang candle close above that area, then that is not yet a continued movement or that is not yet a confirmed move. But if let's say nagkaroon na tayo ng candle close above that area, then our next target is going to be this next area, which is ito, the next resistance area that which is ranging around the 41,000 up until the 48,000. So if ever na ma-break natin yung 32,000, then 41K is our next target dito with the Bitcoin price action. So right now, that is what we are going to wait out right now for the Bitcoin price. And yeah, for now na yun yung nakikita natin for the time being for the long term, then hanggat wala pa tayo nakikitang dip, then wag muna kayo pumasok. But if let's say nakita na tayo ng breakout, if let's say anong nangyari is na-break ni Bitcoin itong resistance na yan, then we can enter another trade dito or we can open or we can buy Bitcoin. Pero if let's say walang buy volume, marag din mag-lead nito fake out, then of course, hindi tayo bibili dyan. So dalawang scenario lang kayo bibili if nagkaroon ng bullish breakout with buy volume or if bumagsak siya dito sa green line. So yun lang tandaan nyo dyan. Now, let's now dive into the Bitcoin short term kasi diba sa previous Bitcoin video natin, what we have been expecting is there are two possible scenarios dito. Number one is the Bitcoin bull flag kasi there are two ways on how you can monitor this bull flag. The first scenario is if you're going to get the pull from the lowest point up until the current high, then we can actually target up until the 32,000 US dollars, which is, ayun, yun yung magiging target. But there is also another thing na pwede mo i-monitor, which is a shorter pole wherein we're going to get the pole ng Bitcoin bull flag from this area up until this area kung saan tayo nagkaroon ng mga resistance dyan. So in that case, that can be the next target. And as you can see, if you're going to put that here, that has been the exact Bitcoin price action na nag-play out talaga dito for the Bitcoin bull flag. So in that case, that is what now we have been seeing. Yung Bitcoin bull flag na nag-play out is just actually this very short pole. But yeah, right now, nakita natin siya nag-play out. So what's next for the Bitcoin price action? So if you're going to look at the current price action ngayon, we are starting to form a ascending channel. So as you can see, if you're going to put a support trend dyan, ayun, may support line. Then if you're going to add the resistance line, we are siguro starting to see some ascending channel dito. Siguro let's try to look at this in the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, di siya masyadong clear, but as you can see, we are starting to form some ascending channel dito wherein we are just seeing this continuation movement to the upside. So right now, that is what we can monitor dito for the Bitcoin price action, which is this pump and dump movement dito for the time being. And take note guys, if you want to open this next trade, make sure to use our BYBIT sign up link. You can find the description down below because if you're going to use our BYBIT sign up link, you're entitled to our feature raffles. And yeah, take note na if you want to learn how to trade dito kay BYBIT, you can actually check out our tutorial video playlist na you can find the description down below if you want to learn how to trade from scratch. It's available guys in the description down below. So all of those resource materials, if you want to learn how to trade, all of them are available in the description down below. But yeah, right now, yun yung nakikita natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. Now, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.